welcome back to my channel. My name is Miriam Maulana. If you're new to the channel, welcome to our world on the internet. If you're an oldie but a goodie, you know I love you. Thank you so much for joining me as always. If you're new, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and become a part of our family. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys my hibiscus deep conditioning treatment. Guys, my hair has been loving Ayurvedic recipes. I have been using these, trying these out so that I can show you guys how you can unlock your optimum growth and health of your hair. Honestly, I love every single thing that I've been trying out, and I'm so happy that so far I haven't reacted to any of it badly. My hair has been loving it. As you can see, it's flourishing. Okay, so today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can move your hair, change it from this to this. Ooh, baby, like, look at my afro, man. Oh my god, oh my god, can you believe I washed it yesterday and look at it, like So I'm going to be showing you guys my hibiscus deep conditioning treatment for optimum moisture, health, softness. So I really hope that you guys do enjoy the video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to leave them in the comment section below, and I do hope that you subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell, and I will keep updating my two playlists, which is the Ayurveda treatments playlist, as well as unlocking your optimum hair health and growth. This year 2018 is all about health and growth. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day. I love you so much. Kisses. Mwah, 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 mwah. Bye. So first and foremost, honorable mention to Layla from Fusion of Cultures, which is where I got the inspiration for this treatment. The treatment is very different from the one that she does herself, but I really do have to say she's the one that got me thinking about hibiscus leaves as a way of deep conditioning my hair. So to start, I'm going to be adding Amla powder to my recipe. Amla powder is chock full of vitamin C and iron. It controls hair loss and shedding. It stimulates hair growth, strengthens hair, regulates blood circulation to the scalp. It also helps with split ends and premature graying. I'm going to then add Brahmi. Brahmi powder helps with itchy scalp, dandruff. It nourishes your hair and combats scalp and helps combat scalp dryness. So when you go into Ayurveda hair recipes, I would really like you guys to try them singularly first, so maybe individually before you go in and try all of them, just in case you could be allergic to any of them. However, I never did that. I never did patch tests or anything because I really react to anything that's natural, but yeah, it's always a good thing to do patch tests if you've never tried out the powders themselves. I'm now going to go in and add my Bringraj. I hope I am saying all of these right, also known as the false daisy. It is the best Ayurvedic remedy for hair loss. It helps make your hair darker, more dense, and more lustrous. It's effective against hair loss and balding. After I add my 3 Ayurvedic hair recipes, I'm now going to go on and add Ashwagandha to the mix. This contains amino acids that stimulate the production of melanin in the body, and this helps to get your natural deep natural hair color your natural hair color. It stimulates the hair follicles and maintains healthy hair. Always, like I said before, always patch test your herbs before using them. And to this mix, I'm going to be adding my oil infusion. I will be putting together a recipe after I've used it for a while, and then I can come back to you on how I do that. I'm now going to add my favorite deep conditioners. You can use whatever favorite deep conditioners that you have. The deep conditioning treatments that I decided to use for today's recipes are the My Natural hydrating deep conditioning treatment, as well as the Afro Botanics deep conditioning treatments. treatment which is also meant to strengthen and nourish your hair. I'm now going to be adding my hibiscus leaves to the mix. This is the power ingredient. Hibiscus leaves help condition your hair. They help to decrease shedding by strengthening and conditioning the roots of your hair. They increase shine, they increase volume and promote hair growth, and helps with other scalp disorders. So if you suffer from, say, psoriasis, all of these will help you with those conditions. And now all you have to do is mix your product. I ended up adding a little bit more conditioner just to make my paste easier to apply, and I added another spoon of my hibiscus leaves. I bought this as leaves, and then I just put them in my blender and I ground them into a powder. Now when you're applying your hibiscus deep conditioning treatment, please make sure that you section your hair as you go, and ensure that you apply it to every single strand of your hair if that is possible, focusing on your scalp, your hairline, and all of the parts of your hair that really need the hydration, your roots and your ends. All the products and all the ingredients that have been put in this deep conditioning treatment are meant to nourish your scalp, help with split ends. So if you put them at the ends of your hair, you add more moisture, and that will help with split ends and alleviate dryness. So this is really meant to moisturize your hair. It's meant to draw in moisture from the outside. You can also add a honey to this mix. I didn't have natural honey, so I decided just to skip that part, but honey is a humectant that will draw in a whole lot of moisture to your hair. So make sure that you've covered your scalp, your ends, your roots with this. I'm not just going through and making sure that I have applied as much as I can to my ends. As you know, your ends are the oldest part of your hair, and they tend to get older faster, and that's why they break. So make sure that you cover everything, and then of course every naturalista knows you need a plastic bag, and then I'm going to follow that with my shower cap and a bonnet just for that added moisture. That's my hair after washing, and guys, that's my hibiscus moisturizing deep treatment conditioner. I love it. It's a DIY recipe. I feel like such a mixtress. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. As you can see, the hibiscus did not dye my hair purple. I would have loved to have purple hair color in my hair, but I am not about to be playing around with dyes. I'm not about to ruin this, okay? Like, look at my hair, it's flourishing. I'm not messing with it in any way, but guys, the color was the bomb. Like, if you're willing to do it, go for it. That color was beautiful. I would do it. I really would do it, and I think it would suit me so much. Again, thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and also leave a comment down below letting me know if you tried this treatment out. Ask any questions that you have on the treatments. I will leave the benefits of the products that I use in the description box, so be sure to check it out for, you know, later reads. I mean, have a beautiful day, guys. I love you so much. Mwah, 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 mwah. Don't forget to watch this video right here. I've put it right here for you. You don't have to look for it. It's right here. Just see, arrow, just, and then subscribe to the channel and notification bell.